Good morning, J.M. Wood here with Sandcastles and Honeybees, and today we couldn't be more excited. We are adding a new hive to the apiary here at the Wood Farm. Sounds like a lot. For me, I'm really excited. I know it's only 2 hives, but we're excited for a big day. Tom's on his way over right now. We're going to unload everything, and hopefully everything goes well, so stay with us. All right, we got everything loaded up on 4-wheeler. We're going to take it down and see if we can assemble our new hive here. Down here with Tom V, Tom's just brought a new hive for us. We're going to be setting that up here. Couldn't be more excited. This is hive number 2. He's expanding his bee yard down here, and we're going to install, what's this say? Just an 8-frame, Tom?
Just an 8-frame, and then we're going to put a couple beetle traps on the outside. Not that we're anticipating any major issues, but I like to use Publix vegetable oil. It actually, makes me feel good about it.
Awesome.
Good environmental, the green wise oil, and that way beetles get in there, they don't get out.
Awesome, great. All right, so we're going to set this little hive. Listen, it's late. In fact, it's the last day of September. You can see our other hives got a little distance away, so that's where Queen Bee Sheba is over here. This is going to be our new queen. We'll locate her hopefully, but today really is about installing a new, really a new little nuke in this small hive, and we're going to show you out the bag of bees here. I'm going to go ahead and throw on my gloves just in case. We are not going to smoke these bees, right, Tom?
Correct. We don't want to smoke them. Yeah, they're going to be very docile anyway.
Let's hope.
Yeah, let's hope.
Let's hope. So you can see he's got basically the bag. What is that? Just a little net carrier?
It's a mesh bag that they use for bee carrying. Mm-hmm. And you put, like when you go pick up a nuke at any of the online retailers or anything,
mm-hmm.
You got to have one of these to transport these things home, or you won't have a car full of bees.
Yeah, absolutely. Makes sense.
We don't want that. And it's just a regular old cardboard nuke box. It's got a little wax on it.
Okay. On
the outside to protect it so you can reuse it. And you notice a couple of the ladies gotten out, having a little bit of.
Well, you can hear them. You can really hear them in there getting ready to.
Yeah.
Getting ready to explore where their new home is. So.
Right.
Awesome. Okay, great. They're even building a little bit of comb on me.
Yeah, they're already.
All right.
They're getting happy.
Looking good. Okay.
So we're
gonna just set these down.
Yeah, let's put those down for right now.
All right.
So I'm gonna take this one guy out.
So got an 8-frame. He's already put oil for mites traps on the end.
Yeah. So we've got where they've already got some good comb built out, so that'll help out with some production.
Nice.
Don't see a queen on that one.
No.
That's okay.
All right. So got an empty frame on the end. Putting that one in. Beautiful little bees.
Yeah.
All right, here's another one. Got a little old queen cell at the bottom. Just broke it off maybe.
Yeah, and you notice these guys they're working on this side.
Yeah.
So what you want to do, you want to turn him on the inside.
Yeah, I think that'd be good right there.
Give him a little opportunity to work there. And you notice I'm doing this real slow.
Yeah.
Last thing I want to do is make them very mad or anything.
Not allowed in there. I don't see a queen or anything so far.
Queen, but you notice this wire frame running through. This is a good comb that they've built out.
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah.
And you'll see on the other one that I was talking about before, they're biting off the bottom of the foundation. So it's interesting that these are not that way. It looks like some better foundation.
Yeah.
A little thicker wax maybe that they like. And they're just drawing out that wax. All right, that's a nice one.
Yeah.
There's a cell. See that cell right there?
I see that. It's capped.
It's capped too. We might have us a queen off that.
We might.
If
yeah, I don't think we're gonna find a queen in here today.
Okay.
And that's okay.
Yeah.
We'll let the children make their own. They'll get together. Now this one stuff I left broken on purpose, and the reason being is because I want to see what they're gonna do.
Yeah, build it out.
Yeah, the way a bee works is just amazing to me. I mean, you're gonna see them build in holes, fill it in. A lot of people say you ought to tear that out. This is more along the lines of let's just study this a little bit.
You can see them in there just working on it, trying to figure out what to do with it.
Exactly.
Pretty awesome. And like I say, on the other one, they literally bite it off.
Right.
And start building their own.
And that's the unique thing about bees. They're just
gorgeous.
They're just awesome.
Yeah. So.
And so, I'll take this bag off. And
we've got the entrance the same direction as the other hive. You can see the other hive maybe in the background over here. Hive number 1. Just leave these here. You know, I've actually seen people bump them out and the bees walk into it.
Yeah, you can.
Seen that?
We could try that real quick and just see.
Yeah. Either way, I think they're going to walk out either way. You know.
Yeah, I think what I like to do is
just bump them a little. Just let them walk a little.
Yeah. Now that reducer,
yeah, we got the reducer. I get it.
Here, I'll get it real quick.
Okay. Yeah, but you can see they're just trying to figure out where they are. They got a new home. They're right here on the lake. They're going to be able to come and get a lot of resources. We're trying this little spot.
Now notice one thing.
Yeah.
I'm going to close this in, and the reason I want to close it in, I want to close it for a couple days because I don't want anybody to get the idea that.
So you're closing it completely.
Close it completely, and while we're not going to get, everybody's not going to be happy about it at first, but the reason you want to do that is so that you don't create a swarm. You want them to say, hey, this is your new home, this is where you're going to be, and kind of get them acclimated to it. So I'm going to turn this over.
Bump. All right.
Bump going.
And then leave the box maybe down here beside it, and I'll get it later. That was our last method was leave the box. I'll bring it back to Tom.
Yeah.
At church or something.
So I mean, at this point, we got
them in.
We'll go ahead and put our queen excluder on while we don't really need it right yet. It's just a good practice to have. And we'll close this side up too. You notice the notch? I'm gonna put it up top.
Yeah, notches up top.
Notches up top. So then we're gonna feed the ladies.
All right, put them on there. I got really good sugar water over here. It's heavier mix, probably mixing close to 2 to 1. All right, let me get that. So you're gonna set that. I'm gonna go grab the mix here. I have coated, this one's gonna be the green. You can see we got Honeybee Healthy. 1 big spoonful of that, plus mixing the sugar water really heavy. They'll love this.
Yeah, absolutely.
And it's one of those where you say, hey, why would you close them up? You can't go get resources. But the resources, they got a ton of resources right here.
Exactly. We want to get them used to this because at this point we're gonna, you know, they got a new home address, so they've got to.
What do you think? Just fill it all the way. Fill it right there and leave it alone.
Absolutely. And you smell that
Boy,
mint off that honeybee.
It smells great.
Honeybee Healthy.
Be interesting to see if the hive next door comes over and takes a look while we got it open. You know, heard a lot about robbing.
Yeah.
Of course, they're robbing honey most of the time, not so much sugar water. All right, top lid's on.
Top lid's gonna be on. So from that standpoint, we've got a couple extra frames.
Couple extra frames here. That was tight though, didn't we tighten it up where there's plenty of, you know, tight inside? Not a lot of extra room. Of course, hey, if they build it out that tight, great.
Yeah, exactly.
Great, we'll take it for winter.
Exactly.
All right, so this hive's off and running.
Yep, and we are good to go.
All right, awesome, great job, Tom.